tech companies and legal experts are scrambling to sort through sweeping but unspecified bans on dealings with TikTok and WeChat.
Well, the bans on the digital apps were ordered by U.S. President Donald Trump, but it remains unclear if he actually has the legal authority to have the apps removed from the U.S. It's the latest front in the U.S.-China technology Cold War. The twin executive orders issued yesterday claim short video app TikTok and messenger app WeChat threaten the national security, foreign policy, and economy of the United States. On Wednesday, the State Department singled out those apps for putting the personal information of Americans and businesses at risk.
We want to see untrusted Chinese apps removed from U.S. app stores. With parent companies based in China, apps like TikTok, WeChat, and others are significant threats to personal data of American citizens, not to mention tools for CCP content censorship.
The Commerce Secretary has been asked to define the banned dealings by the 45-day deadline. But some experts say the orders appear to be vague, rushed, and vulnerable to legal challenges. Trump's order cited legal authority from the International Emergency Economic Powers Act and the National Emergencies Act. A report in the LA Times says White House officials confirmed the order for Tencent is only applicable to U.S. companies doing business with WeChat, not the company's video game firms. Tencent said today it's reviewing the executive order to get a full understanding. TikTok parent company ByteDance Limited, which is in talks with Microsoft for a possible acquisition, said it was shocked by the executive order and could pursue action in U.S. courts. ByteDance insists it does not store U.S. user information in China and has promised it would not share it with the Chinese government. The State Department also said it's working with other U.S. agencies to limit Chinese cloud service providers in the U.S. The Foreign Ministry in Beijing said today it firmly opposes the U.S. move, and China will defend the rights and interests of Chinese businesses. Well, meanwhile, shares in WeChat parent Tencent plunged after Trump's executive order. The ban added to investor concerns about the deteriorating China-U.S. relationship. Initial confusion over the scope of the ban sent Tencent's stock plunging by up to 10% in morning trade, erasing $30 billion from the internet giant's value. Stock pared losses in the afternoon after a U.S. official clarified that the ban will only cover WeChat and not the parent company. Tencent closed down about 5% today. Investors were also worried that the ban could weigh on other companies and economies. That contributed to an overall decline in the Hang Seng Index, which closed down 1.6%. at 24,531.